And I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me. I can feel something, what can it be?
Week after week on Band Baja Bride, we've had exceptional jodis, extraordinary makeovers and heartwarming love stories. We've had couples coming in from all walks of life. Doctors, engineers, servicemen, artists, army people and even photographers. We've even got an Oxford graduate. But this one time, yes, we have a jodi that's madly in love with each other. But they also share their love for one common passion, sports. Meet our next jodi, our bride Nikita Bhate. She is our 24-year-old Marathi Mulgi from Pune. A national level road and track cyclist, she's won 14 medals at a national level. Today she's a product designer in Treviso, Italy. Simplicity has always been important and sports is one of the driving factors in shaping her confidence, determination and mental strength. She's all set to get hitched with her racing partner Sujit. This 31-year-old fitness professional is the only spinning master instructor for India. He sleeps, eats and breathes fitness. He's also one of the biggest pillars of strength for his partner.
निकिता से मेरी मुलाकात जिम में हुई थी करीब 7 साल पहले.
He was into indoor cycling and I started training indoors. I was training for this race called Enduro 3, which is a 270 kilometers adventure race. It's the only one in India and it's really tough. So he was really excited to hear that and he told me that he was really interested to do it. And I said, okay, let's give it a try. So I told him to come and attend one of our practice sessions. I think the first day he was really bad and I was like, okay, when is this guy going to, pace up? But then, of course, I gave him a few more chances and then eventually he picked up really well being in fitness.
पहली रेस में तो we could not do it well. We were really disappointed because we could not complete the race and finish that race. इसलिए हमने next race के लिए बहुत मेहनत की.
We trained for the entire year. We did every possible thing that we could, and since then we've been winning it for 3 years now. So that's how I think from training partners to friends, I think we just grew into love. And we've been dating since 6 years now. So I think we always spoke about getting married. I think it was always clear in our heads. We knew what we wanted to do. We let our parents know. And last year we had our engagement. And just after 6 months, we said, I think we have to start living with each other because it was getting too long. I mean, I want to be with him now.
So we are getting married in Kanha National Park.
There could have been a lot of destinations, but we have been nature lovers. We've been cycling outdoors, we've been going on nature trails. I mean, I think I've been to almost all the national parks. So it's not about being hip or being trendy. For me, it's more about being attached to a place. And I think Kanha is one of the places that we are really attached to. We feel nostalgic. So I think it was the perfect location. So it had to be that.
A Maharashtrian couple getting married in the wilderness of Kanha National Park. Now that is really exceptional. But you know what's even more striking and unique about this jodi is that they're both achievers, well-travelled. She's a designer and she has this great sense of style. And clearly they can afford all these makeovers. So then why BBB? Sabyasachi, I need you to find out why.
get straight to the point. You don't really need this show because you have all the resources and the means to do it yourself. You've been a product designer, you have great aesthetic, you can put things together, and you can afford Sabyasachi. Why Band Baja Bride?
See, being a designer, I mean, even putting up the wedding together is like a design project for me. But I have the money, but I definitely lack the expertise. And I think Band Baja Bride does exactly that. They give you the expertise. Even, I'm not talking only about clothes, but it could be the physical makeover, and I think that is what I need right now. Also, again, being a designer, I think I respect your work, and I would love to have this time whereby I sit down and I can discuss with you and know, what is the right thing to do.
I was very amused when I saw Nikita's form because I thought she was a girl who A, had the money to buy Sabyasachi and also had the taste to put her own clothes together. Why would she require Band Baja Bride? But she said that she wanted someone to hold her hand through the process. I want to ask you one question. What is your personal sense of style?
Details. For me, everything is about details.
And Sujit, what about you?
For me, whatever she says, her opinion, her choice, I just blindly follow that.
Okay, and what is it that you learned from him?
The major thing is that my confidence.
Confidence.
Yes, it's...
You are a national level cyclist.
Yes.
How many medals have you won?
14.
You have won 14 medals and you have confidence issues.
Exactly. I would say that I would have gotten 30 medals, but it's because of my confidence that I got 14. And after I have met him, he's changed that.
She has that confidence in her. It's just that
someone needs to tell her that
yes,
she has
tell her that yes, you are there, you have practiced a lot and you'll win that race.
I think Nikita and Sujit are such a lovely couple. They epitomize true love because I think they're soulmates because they have such similar passions and such great energy, and also the fact that they complete each other. So if one lags behind in something, the other pulls the other one up, and I think that's truly, truly, truly remarkable and beautiful. I have to tell you that my store manager informs me that you had come to the store before, and in fact both of you had come and you have actually chosen your wedding outfit.
Yes. And
you showed me a picture. It is a pink outfit from my couture week with a beautiful chiffon dupatta.
Yes.
Is that what you're planning to wear for your wedding?
I actually even placed the order.
You placed the order, you paid for it?
Yes. So the twist in the story was that even before applying for the show, me and Sujit, we had visited the Sabyasachi store and we had selected an outfit for myself and for him. Then when we met Sabya, I was really tensed as to how he's going to react or if he's going to like our choice.
Your outfit is actually bang on, because if I was to design a beautiful lehenga for somebody for an open air function, especially in a forest, that would be beautiful because it has a lot of luxury, yet it's very quiet. And see, this is what I mean, that you could have done it on your own, and I am probably only validating your choice because it's a choice well done. So you get to keep that lehenga on the show.
He really liked my selection. So in a way that was also a very nice confidence boosting for me. For me the dress is not just a dream dress or a dream wedding dress. This is more like an art piece. For me it's more like an honor to own a piece of Sabya. So it's great.
At Band Baja Bride we actually give the girls the clothes. It is a part of Shagun. So what you have to do is you have to come back to the store maybe tomorrow or day after, meet my manager and get your full money refunded. And you have a pishta green sherwani.
Yes.
But I wasn't really very happy with Sujit's outfit because he's such a handsome man, they could have chosen better. So I showed him a couple of things because he would not fit into anything that we had at the store. What do you think, Nikita?
Nice.
Nice? And we finally zeroed on in something that's quite nice. Well, now that I've given you an overview about what your makeovers are going to look like, time to discuss something very important, a very important detail. Jewelry. Why did you smile? You love jewelry.
Well, no, actually I've had...
You don't like jewelry?
No, not at all.
Not at all. Okay, I'm in trouble.
I mean, I've also had a lot of fights with my parents that I don't want to wear jewelry. Or maybe something, but something minimal. Something maybe that is delicate and not so flashy.
When a girl getting married tells you that I do not like jewelry, what she's actually trying to say is I don't like the jewelry that I've seen in the market. I knew that I would convince her. What she needed was a differentiated look. What she needed was something which was very subtle, which was very elegant, and which was also very regal at the same time. And Krishnadas and company from Hyderabad just fit the bill. Okay, let me see if I can convince you with some jewelry. You know, it's got polkis, it's got emeralds, tourmalines. See, it's quite well on your neck. What do you have to say? No?
The first one actually he showed me was very heavy, which was completely not me. The second one was very beautiful, but it was a bit stiff, and he agreed with that also.
Well, I think you might like this piece because I am very fond of it. You know, it's got rose-cut diamonds, polkis, basra pearl, and the most beautiful pink tourmaline. And the pink of the tourmaline will actually match the color of your outfit. What I also like is if you actually see all of this, there's a little organic feel to it. You know, it doesn't look very structured.
Yes.
It almost looks like you're wearing, you know, like a floral gajra. And with that, I would like to give you these earrings. Because then the earring would be minimal and this would be quite baroque.
That's perfect.
And it would suit your purpose because I don't want to overwhelm you. And your parents will be happy.
No arguments there.
Hannah, you didn't really say much. What do you think?
She looks beautiful.
Well, he approves. And you know what? I think it was not really about the fact that you don't like jewelry. Maybe you never found the right things. You have to come to the right places.
Yes.
Nikita is a sports person. She's a soap and water girl. And she's getting married in a tiger reserve. So we are going to call her look the Safari Bride. It's going to be very fresh, very clean and very minimal with very beautifully sculpted hair which is almost handcrafted and organic, minimal lips, a very, very organic outfit and just the right amount of jewelry.
So after jewelry, we settled down again and Sabya came up with another surprise.
Show me your hand. What kind of a watch do you wear?
Actually, I've never worn a watch.
Never worn a watch?
No, never.
Time to change that because what we'll give you is a Rado.
Wow.
And what I like about this watch is that it's very sporty and modern and contemporary
Perfect.
and well designed.
Perfect.
Let's see what it looks like.
Wow. That's like the perfect thing, minimal. The watch was really beautiful. I really like simple and minimal things and I think it again fit into that very well. It's perfect for me.
This watch from Rado is their new Hypochrome collection with 12 diamonds and it's encased in a steel case. It has a very contemporary look, yet it looks very warm. And talking about time, you all have a lot of makeovers to do. So right now you all run, finish your makeovers. I'm very relaxed because your lehenga is done. I just need to work on his. This is like a holiday. And talking about holidays, if my schedule permits, I'll see you both at Kana.
On behalf of Team BBB, I accept the coveted title. Yes, we are the experts when it comes to bridal makeovers. But you know another thing that we've mastered the art of? The art of romance. Sujit very recently confessed to Team BBB that there's only one thing missing in his relationship, and that is a proposal. So buddy, your wish is my command. We've set it all up, and I hope you go out there and smash it. Nikita, come on! Welcome!
What is this place? The team called me and they asked me to reach at a certain place and there was go-karting on the terrace. And then I see that this guy was already there in a cart and like it was absolutely like, what is happening?
Okay, so both of you, I know that you all are a team that works together, that has this competitive spirit. But I was just wondering, what happens if I pit both of you against each other?
I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win. All power to you. And let me tell you one thing. The one that wins, that drives the romance in this little race, has a little surprise for them.
I was all pumped. I was like, okay, let's go, let's do this. So I got into the car.
Ready? Steady?
I gotta tell you, girl, tonight I'll show you what I got. Feel like
It was really fun, and we did like 2 rounds.
I'm in your face.
Sujit won the first round. So in the second round, Sujit was still leading. But at the last turn, he suddenly slowed down, and I don't know what happened. I was first at the finish line, but I think in my heart, I just felt that he did it for me to win. So this was a moment where I felt, that this guy really never lets me fall down, and I think that's one of the factors that I just love about our relationship.
Well, like they always say that love wins on an equal footing, but Sujit, I saw what you did over there. You're a true romantic and a true gentleman. And I'll tell you what, come here. Why don't you give her her prize in the most romantic way possible?
And the next moment, he's on his knees with a beautiful Forever Mark promise ring, and I think nothing can top that moment until now. It was too emotional.
Nikita, Sujit, I want to tell you that this Forever Mark My Lemoa ring celebrates many facets of a modern woman's life and personality. All the bands in the ring are held together at the center with a beautiful Forever Mark diamond. Like we say on Band Baja Bride, Tucson is awesome. He also deserves a prize, don't you think?
Oh wow, that's great.
Nikita, Sujit, at Forever Mark, we believe that a promise is never meant to be broken. So why don't the two of you make the most of this competitive and romantic setting that we have here for you and make a promise to each other.
Don't worry, Nikita. Whenever you slow down in your life, I'm always next to you to give you that necessary push so that you can win each and every struggle that you will get in your life. I'm always there. Don't worry.
For me, Sujit, we've always been a team, and I'm sure that we are going to win this race of life also together.
Such an emotional moment. I think we need to keep our couple away from the cameras for a little bit of time. This is why on BBB we say Tucson is awesome. We'll catch them in their next makeover. An athletic jodi, a beautiful romance and a destination wedding. Nikita and Sujit have impressed Team BBB and Sabya beyond miles. It's now time to begin their makeover journey.
When I'm looking at you and you're looking at me,